So we have this beautiful Brazilian cherry slab that we got from our friends over at West Penn Hardwoods, and we have it prepped and ready for finish. And what I decided to put on this slab, because of the density of the wood and because I want to bring out as much depth and clarity as I possibly can out of this piece, I want to use my super penetrating oil platform. Now, right beside it is our butcher block oil. These two finishes are very, very similar. They're built on the same platform. This butcher block oil is literally based on the super penetrating oil platform. It has all the same properties as the super pen, but this one here has a little extra kicker. It's got special blends of essential oils in it that are made to kill and disinfect your butcher block surfaces. So I'm going to use this actually to finish as my base coat on this Brazilian cherry. And I'm using it like I would use the super pen and use it like a base coat. And I'm using it just to show you, you can use this instead of having to buy a big bottle of SPO. Always stir your Odie's oil, all of your finishes except for the butter and the wax. And as you can see, the butcher block oil is thin, just like the super penetrating oil. Literally very similar, same format, pretty much the same product. This one just got a special blend of essential oils just to make sure your surfaces are clean. So I'm going to pour a little bit on, and I should be able to finish this whole piece with this. I'm going to use our applicator block and a non-woven gray pad. And I'm just going to go ahead and work this oil in. So I'm just going to work this in. Those of you that are watching, you're noticing I'm doing it by hand. If you're new to Odie's, or even fairly new to Odie's products, I suggest you do this by hand. Don't use a machine. There really isn't any reason to use a machine unless you're in a big rush and you actually know what you're doing with Odie's, because when you use a machine, especially in the beginning, you'll have a tendency to use too much. The biggest mistake that people make when using Odie's products is they use too much oil. And then they can't get it all off. And then they wonder why they got an unsatisfactory finish, because they left finish on the surface. This is not a film forming finish. This is a penetrating structural oil. It's designed to go deep into the wood surface, catalyze and harden there, and protect the wood and give you a beautiful finish. It's not a plastic coating. You don't want to put a plastic coating on your wood surfaces. That is counter to proper wood finishing. Polyurethane finish wouldn't even stick to this properly. You would have to use sealers before you put it on, and even then, it's going to fail over time, because a wood like Brazilian cherry, it happens to be very oily, has its own oils and resins in it, and it's very dense, and the polyurethane doesn't like to stick to it. This oil does. This oil is at home in this wood, and it just gets better and better with age. So now that I got this whole piece finished properly, I might spend a little more time working it in, and that's it. So next will be the buff off, and I'll show that in the next video. Thank you for joining.